I see here you did that with this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney, and today I am bringing you another Isee hair video. Today I have 4 bundles of the water wave texture and a 5x5 closure. I made into a wig. Yes, I made this wig. If you're interested to see how I made this wig, also let me know down in the description box so I can make a tutorial on how I make my wigs. But yeah, if you're interested to see how I define these curls, then just keep watching. I am not gonna hold you any longer, you guys. I'm gonna show you how I transformed this frizz ball type of situation over here to these juicy curls over here. First, I'm gonna start by taking my spray bottle and I'm gonna spray down this side of my hair so that it is nice and wet. So this is the Isee hair water wave. Now, quick story time about this hair. I thought I was getting the water wave texture. I didn't expect it to be this curly, but I'm not mad at it. It's still really beautiful. I thought it was gonna be more of a looser curl and not so defined. Like, to me, this looks like a deep kind of curly situation, but I'm not mad at it. This hair, nonetheless, is still pretty bomb. So I'm just gonna be taking this spray bottle and spraying it like so. I actually ordered this hair in bundles and I made this into a wig. I don't remember the exact length of the bundles, but I will put everything in the description box for you guys. And also, when I was ordering this hair, I was kind of upset because they didn't have the length that I wanted in the frontal, or the closure, I'm sorry. And I had to settle for this length. And I feel like it's very much giving bang. And I didn't really want it to be that short, but I'm gonna make it work nonetheless, and it's still gonna be cute. So I'm gonna keep spraying till I get my desired wetness. Also, this is my second time wearing this unit, but I feel like I kind of over bleached the knots. And I tried to cover it up with makeup the first time and it was still bomb, but I felt like now that I washed the makeup off, it looks better. Like, there's no makeup on my part and it looks pretty good. Being that I'm not like a beautician or anything, I feel like I did a pretty good job. Now, as you can see, just that little bit of water brought this hair back to life. Like, bomb. And it's just water on here. This hair is really bomb. So I'm just gonna be taking my brush and I'm gonna just comb through it so that the curls are not tangly. And as you can see, that's gliding like butter. Butter. This hair is so bomb. Like, bomb. It holds its shape, it holds its curl, everything. It just bounces back and I'm just like, wow. So, excuse my brush, it's very dirty. I did not clean it before I came on here. Let me just do that really quick. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. I use this comb on my natural hair, so it was kind of, you know, a little dirty, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna finish spraying this and I'm gonna show you what product I have been loving. So this is the Curl La La from Aunt Jackie's. I really like this. As you can see, it's like damn near gone. I use this in my natural hair and it smells amazing. So I like to use that. And this is literally gliding through this hair. I don't really know many curly units that can do this, or curly bundles that can do this. Oh, okay, I'm just going to, this side is already dry. I'm over here raking my hands through it like it's not already dry and set in place. So this is the dry finished product. It air dried, I didn't put any heat to it. I love this hair, really love this hair. This hair is super soft, and I already washed it with shampoo, like I said, because I didn't like the finished result that I had when I installed it the first time. This unit that I made is not glued down to my head or anything. Like, I need to cut that little piece of lace off, but it's not glued down to my head or anything. And she is really giving natural hair vibes. Like, so now that we have that product all throughout our hair, we're just gonna leave it. And now we're gonna be taking our Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quenching Foaming Mousse. That is a tongue twister right there, but this is what it looks like. I picked this up at my local beauty supply store. I was trying to see, oh yeah, and this was $5. So I'm gonna be taking a few pumps of that and doing like this on my hair, and I'm just going to be running it through the hair, making sure to lay this closure down. I didn't put heat in it yet, but I just wanted to show you how flat this is going to get with this product, that you don't really need to run your hot comb through it. So it's really flat. And like I said, there's no hot comb that was placed into this. As you can see, I just wet it, put the product in it, and this is the final result that I'm getting. Like, this hair is bomb. I love this hair. I'm just gonna be taking a little bit more and running it through the back part of my hair. You don't want to forget this because you don't want the matting to start in the nape of your neck. I hate that. So we want to make sure that we're really getting the product in the back of our neck too, so that our hair does not mat through the back. As you can see, I'm literally gliding my hands through it and there is no problem. Few snags there, but I mean, as curly hair, like, this is the amount of hair that I have shedding with. Like, that's nothing. And I try to not cut the web as much as possible. So this is the amount of shedding that I got with this hair. And you saw me rake my hands through the hair. So I think that that is pretty bomb, because curly hair, as we all know, tends to shed a lot. So I'm just gonna be taking some more right here and making sure that these little flyaways up here on the closure, or closure are laid down. Like, that was so easy. I know y'all saw how easy that was. Like, simple. Now, instead of taking the flat iron to this unit because it is wet, I'm gonna be taking this slick stick that I got at my local beauty supply store as well, and I'm just gonna be taking it and placing it like so on the closure. And now I'm just gonna take my handy dandy rat tail comb, and I'm just going to secure all those little baby flyaways down. And you see what that did? It instantly made everything lay down super smooth. Like, I'm looking this way because my mirror is right here, but yeah, I'm just taking the comb and combing it down like so. I love this hair, like, super bomb. You couldn't tell me that this isn't my real hair. Like, super bomb. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay me some baby hairs. Like I said, this is not glued down to my head or anything, but I'm going to lay me some baby hairs so that it looks more realistic. Okay, I moved you guys a little bit higher so that you can see the top of my head. Like I said, I'm going to do me some baby hairs. Also, just to show you that I did not cut all the lace off of this closure yet, because I be scared sometimes, like I'm gonna cut too much of it off. So I have that for a little bit of adherence if I do decide to glue it down one day. But for right now, I'm not going anywhere and I'm not doing anything. So she's not going to be glued down. I also sewed in a band in this wig, so it's pretty snug to my hair. It's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to take some of this slick stick, put it on these baby hairs right here, and find me some baby hairs over here. All right, you guys, this is the final result. I hope you are feeling this unit as much as I am. Well, this hair, I should say, as much as I am. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.